Laikipia County facility is part of the 23 facilities. And we are a government that respect the rule of law, so we abide by the court decision. But in the event, we need to invoke the Public Health Act, Section 35 and 36. We will invoke the Public Health Act. An epidemic of this magnitude will not wait for more consultation. We have to save lives. We have to prepare the country. What we are doing now is we are putting all the resources, the infrastructure, our health systems alert and responsive in the event, God forbid, an incident is reported.
Today we must choose to be proactive and not reactive. As we always say, the greatest response to an outbreak is preventing it from ever happening in the first place. And I think that is why we are seated here today, for our preparedness as a country.
It is important again for the communities to know if you need to travel to DRC or to Uganda, unless it is extremely necessary for now, we would urge you not to travel at this particular moment.